Hey everyone, this is Jamie at Concourse. As many of you may know, Concourse has created what we call the Common College Counseling Curriculum, or the C4 for short. And if you've seen any of our past webinars or our social media posts, you know that basically this is a live open source document, meaning that counselors and higher education professionals from all over the world are welcome to contribute to it and to help it grow. We know that this community has a lot of knowledge and our field is constantly evolving. So it's really never been more important to have a place where people can go to learn and to share, and for that place to be open and completely free. So basically, what started as a cumbersome PDF has now turned into a full-blown wiki. If any of you have ever edited or added to Wikipedia before, you know that it can be a little bit daunting and intimidating when you first log in. So I thought I would just make a quick tutorial to show you how easy it is to add a line or three of text or a link to your favorite resource that maybe you'd like to share with others. So we're going to hop to it. If you've never been to the C4, it's just concourse.global/C4. And you can see that we have it organized by country. And when we started, we only had about 4 countries in here. So you can see it's already grown in just over a month since our initial launch. Within each destination country, we have broken out resources and activities by month. So if, for example, you had a student who was looking to apply to the United States, you would be able to click in here and then select the time of year to see where in the application cycle most US institutions are and what you could be doing with your students during this time of year. We also have a section for students who aren't in their final year yet. So for many of you, that would be your year 11 students. And you can click in here for a pretty lengthy list of resources, as well as a month-by-month list of activities. So we're going to jump into adding a resource. I'm going to go back here to the additional resources into the summer program options. And I have to give a big shout out to our friend and colleague, Kyra Kellawan. Any of you who know her know that she has been compiling for a long time a list of summer programs all over the world, and sort of trying to keep them organized and updated. And so a lot of her programs have already been added in here, and we've been adding on to them as well. So if, for example, you wanted to add a program to the STEM section, you can see we've broken them out by areas of interest. And then from within that, we've broken it out by country. So let's say, for example, I wanted to add a resource to the China section. I knew about a program that should be listed under China. So the first thing you'll want to do, if you haven't already, is to create an account. Super easy. You just make up a username, password, put your email address in there, and then you can log in. I have an account here. So once you're logged in, you'll notice that there are these little edit tags. So I'm going to click into this. If any of you are familiar with HTML or any of those languages, this looks a little bit similar, but it is different. So I will tell you basically my suggestion for updating tables, because the formatting is a little bit funky, what I like to do is just literally copy and paste. And because it's on a separate line, you'll need to add one of these vertical lines and a dash basically to separate it. So now if I click on Show Preview, you can see that essentially I have duplicated this Tsinghua University of Technology. So if the program that I want to change or that I want to add is this one, it's called Carl Benz School of Engineering, which I know is in Germany, but this particular engineering academy happens to take place in China. This is the one I want to add. So what I'll do is I will copy the link, and I'm going to go in here and I'm going to replace this first link. I'm just going to do it alphabetically. Occasionally we'll come in and sort of clean it up, so don't worry too much about that. But if you want to help us out, do try and keep them alphabetical just so it's easy to find them. So once you paste in the link, you'll notice that there's a space and then the text that shows here. So I want this to say Carl Benz School of Engineering. And I'll do show preview. So now I can see this has been updated. What I need to change is this tag here. What I think I want to call it is the Summer Engineering Academy. So I'll just copy it, come back over here and replace within the quotes, Summer Engineering Academy. And then I'm also going to just add the location so that people know that I didn't accidentally put this in the wrong section. I know Carl Benz is in Germany. So I'm just going to do preview again, and I can see everything has been updated. It's alphabetical. The link is here, and that's pretty much it. Don't forget to save. So once I've saved it, I can see now I've got Carl Benz School of Engineering here in China as well as in Germany. So that's pretty much it. I would say if you've added something, do add your name to our list of contributors. That would be so great. It's super easy in here. You just click edit and just basically put a little star and asterisk and then your name to add it in here. So again, don't forget to save it. And if you make a mistake or if it doesn't look right, don't stress about it. The preview button is going to be very helpful for you. And if you run into any real trouble, we will always come in and help you fix it. It's no problem. So that's it. It's easy peasy. So head on in and create your account. We know that this resource will continue to grow and evolve and be reorganized over time. And we really can't wait to see what it becomes. So just want to thank you so much for your time and thank you in advance for sharing your knowledge. Have a great day.